Artificial intelligence is already changing how we work across the Irish public service, from how we deliver services and how we make decisions, to also solving complex problems and planning for the future. Used responsibly, AI can help us become more efficient, more accessible and more responsive in our work. But with these opportunities also comes really important responsibilities. In 2024, the Irish Government made a clear commitment. All AI used in the public service must meet the highest standards of trust, fairness and also accountability. This means aligning our work with 7 core principles, which include transparency, privacy, data governance, human oversight and also inclusivity. These principles form the foundation of the guidelines for the responsible use of artificial intelligence in the public service. This serves as a practical and value-based framework to support our work with AI at every stage of its use across the board. This e-learning module and video tutorial has been developed to be used alongside those guidelines. It will also help you understand what responsible AI looks like in practice and how to apply the contained key tools like the decision framework, the responsible AI canvas, and indeed the AI Lifecycle Guidance in your own work. So whether you're a leader, a technical expert, or an end user, your role is vital in ensuring that AI is used safely, lawfully, and also in the public interest. These guidelines serve as an empowering framework seeking to move from principle to practice in using AI. Together, responsibly, we can use AI to create efficiencies and also deliver better public services for all of the people that we serve.
Artificial intelligence is already changing how we work across the Irish public service, from how we deliver services to how we make decisions, solve problems and plan for the future. Used responsibly, AI can help us become more efficient, more accessible and more responsive to the needs of the people we serve. But with these opportunities come important responsibilities. In 2024, the Irish Government made a clear commitment. All AI used in the public service must meet the highest standards of trust, fairness and accountability. That means aligning with 7 core principles, including transparency, privacy and data governance, human oversight and inclusivity. These principles are outlined in the Guidelines for the Responsible Use of Artificial Intelligence in the Irish Public Service, a practical and values-based framework to support our work with AI at every stage. This e-learning module has been developed to be used alongside those guidelines. It'll help you understand what responsible AI looks like in practice and how to apply the key tools, like the decision framework, the responsible AI canvas, and the AI Lifecycle Guidance in your own projects. So whether you're a leader, a technical expert, or an end user, your role is vital in ensuring that AI is used safely, lawfully, and in the public interest. Thank you for your commitment, and let's get started. Artificial intelligence offers exciting opportunities across the Irish public service, from improving efficiency to enhancing services to supporting better decisions. But before starting any AI project, there's one essential question to ask. Is AI the right solution for this problem? The decision framework is designed to help you answer this question. It is a set of key questions designed to guide teams through the early stages of a project, before building, buying, or deploying any AI system. It supports responsible planning by helping you assess need, evaluate risks, and align your work with legal and ethical standards from the start. The framework is grouped into 5 core areas. Firstly, the problem definition. What exactly are we trying to solve? And who are we solving it for? Could a simpler or more traditional approach work just as well, more quickly, or at a lower cost? Next is data readiness. Do we have enough data? Is it accurate, complete, representative? And are we legally allowed to use it under GDPR? Following this is the AI solution type. What kind of system fits best? Does it need to be highly accurate, fast, or explainable? Will the outcomes need to be consistent and repeatable? You should then consider if you should build, buy, or reuse. Should we build our own system, purchase a commercial one, or adapt an open source tool? What are the costs, benefits, and long-term implications of each? And lastly, inclusivity and diversity. Are we involving a diverse team from the beginning to ensure that the system is fair, inclusive, and works for everyone, not just a select few? These questions aren't just for data scientists or developers. They should be considered by a cross-functional team, including those with domain expertise, data knowledge, technical skill, legal insight, and direct connection to service delivery. This collaboration helps avoid misalignment later and ensures that the AI system, if adopted, serves the public in a way that is fair, lawful, and trustworthy. Working through the decision framework won't just help you decide whether AI is appropriate. It sets the tone for responsible, people-centered innovation. The Responsible AI Canvas is a practical planning tool for public servants working on AI projects. It helps you ask the right questions early to make sure your project is ethical, transparent, and aligned with public service values. Let's take a quick walk through its key sections. First, we define the project. What problem are we trying to solve? Why is AI the best fit? Who are the key stakeholders, both inside and outside the organisation? And who might be affected by this system? We also look at how we'll include diverse perspectives from the very beginning. This section sets out the foundation for everything that follows, helping ensure the project is relevant, inclusive, and focused on the real needs of the public. Next, we look at risks, from data privacy to system failure. How will we protect personal data? What fallback plans are in place? And are we meeting our legal requirements under GDPR, the EU AI Act, or other laws? Communication is also key. How will we inform users that AI is being used? This part is critical because early planning prevents harm, protects rights, and ensures we stay within the law. At the heart of the canvas are the 7 principles of responsible AI that we covered previously. These cover human agency and oversight, technical safety, privacy and data governance, transparency, fairness and inclusion, societal and environmental impact, and accountability. Each of these is built into the canvas to guide ethical, trustworthy decision-making. These principles enable you to turn responsible AI from a concept into a practice, helping us make better choices at every stage of the project. Finally, we consider regulation. What risk level does the AI system fall under according to the EU AI Act? Who will be the provider and deployer? The ones responsible for building and the ones responsible for using the system. This section is essential because it clarifies legal responsibilities and ensures we're working within established national and EU frameworks. The Responsible AI Canvas isn't just a form, it's a conversation. Use it to bring the right people together, ask the right questions, and plan AI projects that are safe, fair, and aligned with public service values. It's a powerful step towards a more trustworthy AI in the public service.
I hope this e-learning has helped you better understand the guidelines for the responsible use of artificial intelligence in the public service. I encourage all of you to revisit these guidelines as the use of AI accelerates, with new tools continuously becoming available. I want to thank you again for taking the time to learn more about the responsible use of AI, and I look forward to seeing how your projects deliver value for the public.